Guys, we're doing good old-fashioned smash burgers on my Blackstone coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down at the corner, right down there, and the bell next to it so you get alerts when we go live with the video or we go live on the live streams. So today I just felt like making some good old-fashioned smash burgers with a little bit of American cheese and a little bit of grilled onions. Nothing else. We're not putting tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, lettuce. No, it's just meat, cheese, and grilled ass onions. So it's gonna be good. All right, that's it. There's not much to this one. I'll go over the ingredients real quick, and then we'll get out on that Blackstone, get the onions started griddling. I'm gonna use a bunch of butter and onions. What can go wrong? All right, then we got a little Victory Lane seasoning, beef seasoning for the hamburgers. Thanks, Joe, for the Victory Lane seasoning. Stuff's awesome. Guys, gotta give it a shot. Okay, that's it. We're gonna get on this Blackstone, get started. Hey guys, here's the ingredients we're gonna use for these smash burgers. We got about 4 or 5 ounce balls of 80/20 ground beef, a little butter for the onions. Of course, we're gonna have American cheese, and for the seasoning on the burgers, we're gonna use this Victory Lane beef rub and seasoning. Then we got some ballpark Hawaiian buns. All right, we got a griddle hot. We're gonna put half a stick of butter down on it. Get that melted up real good. Got me a new spatula to use on here. The other ones are pretty long, so I decided that I wanted to get a little more sturdy, a little more strength when I'm scraping and moving and grooving and smashing and whatever else you do on your Blackstone. Okay, we got this butter melted enough. Let's get the onions in there. You want to give them enough time to get a nice caramelization. Okay, the onions are done, or at least as done as I like them. So now that butter that's on there, the little leftover grease, got all that good onion flavor on there. So now let's get these burgers on. Pow! Got to make sure I give them enough room that when we smash them, it'll be good to go. Just quick second, gonna season them up. That Victory Lane. Smash them. Whoa. All right, so we're gonna take our parchment. We're gonna use this. That's a smash burger right there. There we go. Just gonna let it go, and the grayness comes up on the sides, and then a little bit of the juices will start flowing up on here. Here's what I'm gonna do. So we got our onions here, got a little of that butter ready to drip off. I'll let you know about that. All right, these are about ready to flip. We got some nice crustification. Get this one. Oops, I lost a little bit there. These first two right here, gonna get some grilled onions on them. Now all these are gonna be cheeseburgers. But some of these are gonna be double cheeseburgers, or double the cheeseburgers. Not double cheeseburgers, double the cheeseburgers. All right, these are about ready to go. We're gonna let them melt up just a little bit longer. We'll get them plated up, get them nice and pretty for the thumbnail, and we'll come on back and try them. All right, guys, we're back. I made 2 of these, and it just so happened my brother-in-law, Matty Ice, came over. So he's gonna help me try one of these bad boys. Just simple cheese, grilled onions. Can't go wrong with it. So help yourself, grab that one. These are all over the place, melty, cheesy, flies are going.
You got one.
Oh man, that's good.
They're really good. Grilled onions.
No. Guys, the grilled onions, they make all the difference in the world. Guys, we're gonna finish this up right now. Probably have a couple beers. Enjoy our day. Maybe hit the pool. Yep. Mr. CJ will be home pretty soon. If you'd like to get one of these little Blackstones, I'll put the link down below and in the description, and I'll pin it in the comments. We have merch, guys. We got Cooking with CJ and Crew shirts. Make sure you click the link down below for that. What else? Oh, Patreon. If you want to become a Patreon, be a producer of the show. It's a little subscription service where it kicks down a little bit of money every month. It's a great thing to help out with the channel, do all these cooks and all that stuff. So if you want to be, every time there's a dog barking. All right, so if you guys want to be a part of the CJ's crew for real, click on over to Patreon. I'll put the link right here. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.